Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Goan-style stew. This comforting dish is known for its creamy coconut base and aromatic spices, offering a unique flavor experience. We'll cover everything from the essential ingredients you'll need to the step-by-step cooking process, ensuring you can recreate this authentic Goan recipe in your own kitchen. Get ready to explore the vibrant culinary traditions of Goa with this simple, yet flavorful stew. To begin your Goan stew, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of mixed vegetables, such as carrots, potatoes, and green beans, cut into 1-inch pieces. For the creamy base, prepare 1 cup of thick coconut milk and 1/2 cup of thin coconut milk. Don't forget 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and a 1-inch piece of ginger for flavor. Essential spices include 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and 2 cloves. Now let's get cooking. First, gently sauté your chopped onions, grated ginger, and sliced green chilies in a little oil until they become fragrant. Next, add your diced vegetables and cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. Pour in the thin coconut milk and let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. Finally, stir in the thick coconut milk and your whole spices, cooking for just a few more minutes without boiling. Once your Goan-style stew is ready, it's time to serve and enjoy. Garnish your beautiful creation with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves for an extra touch of freshness and color. This delightful stew is best served hot, alongside fluffy steamed rice or traditional Goan bread, like pao. For a complete meal, consider adding a side of crispy papadums. Savor the rich, comforting flavors of this authentic Goan dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.